Hey, this is Cody DeQuisto with Lone Wolf Custom Gear, and today I'm going to do a breakdown of the new Custom Gear DeQuisto series climbing sticks versus our original. What we got here is both of the climbing sticks here. So over the course of the years, it's become apparent, what we needed to do to design the ultimate climbing stick as far as weight reduction and function and climbability, if you will. So starting with the step. So we've actually significantly increased the length of this step. One of the big problems always with the standard step was it was very small, it was hard to get a boot on, and it was very close to the tree. So we've cured both those problems in one shot. We've increased the length of the overall step, allowing more surface area of your boot to come in contact with that. And we've also increased the distance of the V-bracket to the tree. So now you have more room for your foot to get deeper and bypass those obstructions on a tree when climbing, such as knots or rough bark, or maybe even trimmed off limbs. Another obvious feature of the step is step thickness. So we've actually increased the step thickness of that as well. For a roomier footbed, it really helps with the feel in climbing as far as gripping with your hands and feet. Another great feature of the step, this slight arc on the edge there. So a big problem always with the standard step is when you'd get on those crooked trees, with that step having no upswing or turn at all, you almost wanted to slip right off of it. The new designed step is equipped with an arc, or a fishtail if you will, at the end for those extreme sets, and the increased traction is not letting your boot slide off that step. The next thing we wanted to upgrade was the stopping points. With the original climbing sticks, over the course of a few years you'd develop eventually a step lag. What was happening is our stopper was always an Allen head bolt, and the constant pressure or just years of use would take your flat step and start to kind of lag down just a hair, which would overall just affect your climbability. Now with the new custom gear sticks, we do not use a machined part or a bolt. We actually have solid aluminum material as your stopper. So we've increased the surface area of that tremendously to prevent any sort of step lag whatsoever. Another thing we did was alter the attachment point for your belt. So your standard stick has your round nylon Versa button. We've went to a hardware style Versa button, micro in size, smaller, grade 8, and it will not be chewed on by animals, accidentally cracked or broken. Another great thing about the Lone Wolf Custom Gear climbing stick, as far as attachment option goes, you have the freedom to mount this thing in 3 different ways. So as you can see here on the stick, there's a couple grooves on the back side of your Versa button, and those are fastening points for a rope mod attachment option or a buckleless cam strap. So you can mount this thing in 3 different ways. You can do your standard cam buckle with your double loops. You can remove that buckle and minimize some serious weight and attach it with just your cam strap. Or you can take your climbing rope option and you can have that as well. Also inside the design of the stick as well is a V-slot for your rope tail for extra security and stability. One pretty clear and obvious upgrade is just your material. As far as what we're using, we've went from a standard 1-inch tube to a 3/4 inch stock out of solid plating. So this is doing a number of things for you. It's getting rid of any of that resonation of sound from a hollow tube. It is giving you an awesome 3-dimensional look. It's really helped breaking up your setup from the side or profile as far as concealment goes in the tree. And it's minimizing that profile of your stick. So you're going from a 1-inch front profile to a 3/4, which really comes into play in the way we stack these. The new Lone Wolf Custom Gear stick is also sprayed in a ultralight rubberized coating that really helps for decreasing vibration, dampening sound, and really allows for comfortable handling in cold temperatures and metal on metal contact. Another cool thing we did was integrate molded in gripping points on the stick base itself. So these are pretty cool. It allows for ease of handling. When you're climbing up the tree, you can actually grab the base and you got a nice position spot for your hands to go, as well as the option to grab the sticks. Another big function as far as steps go in general is we've actually implemented the top of the stick base itself with traction for added standing room when climbing. So what we've done there is we've increased the surface area for standing room on the top step. And you could utilize your V-bracket, your stick post itself, and your step as one, and get a lot more surface area in there when climbing. By far one of the greatest features of these sticks is the way they transport, and utilizing that 3/4 inch profile material to really minimize the overall package of these sticks. As you can see here, you know, obviously our sticks or our steps fold back in line with your stick. Now you can actually pivot these V-brackets all the way, and you end up with a stick now that has a complete 3/4 inch profile. With the old model, the lowest you're getting your profile is that, you know, so you can't minimize. With that being said, all of the custom gear sticks are equipped with these flush stacking bushings. So what this is allowing you to do is stack your sticks all together, utilizing that 3/4 inch profile to just completely have the ultimate compact climbing stick set. I'll kind of show you how that works here. So here we have another climbing stick, and set these right on top of each other and utilize the bushings, push them right in. All the bushings are equipped with an 1/8 inch rubber ring around the perimeter to completely eliminate any metal on metal contact and offer the, you know, quietest stacking you can get. But if you look at that now, there's your 2 sticks compact. Now we'll take another Lone Wolf stick here. We've, as you can see, significantly minimized the profile and portability of these with the flush stacking system. This was your traditional stack for 2 sticks, and as you can imagine, she just goes out, and now you're able to stack flush. Another big problem too, as we talked about, is you know, these things, you know, falling apart and not sticking together in transport. And you can see with the custom gear sticks is the bushings are allowing them not to come apart. So those aid in the transport. The Lone Wolf Custom Gear climbing stick was truly designed for the mobile hunter with efficiency and function in mind. And not only did we address every aspect of climbability, function, and being portable, we were able to make it lighter than our original model.